In this video, I'll guide you through how to create calculated properties in HubSpot. Understanding how to utilize calculated properties can significantly enhance your data analysis, allowing you to derive meaningful insights directly from your HubSpot account. Whether you're tracking customer interactions or measuring the performance of various deals, calculated properties can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the settings area of your HubSpot account. To do this, simply locate the gear icon, which is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to the settings page. Once you're in settings, look for the properties section. This is where you can manage and create different properties for your HubSpot objects. Properties are crucial as they help you store specific data points for various objects like contacts, companies, deals, and more. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on deals, but you can choose any object that suits your needs. After selecting your desired object, click on Create Property to start building a new calculated property. Now, on the next screen, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Create with Breeze tab. This feature is designed to simplify the process of creating calculated properties by allowing you to input your requirements in plain English. It's incredibly user-friendly and can save you a lot of time if you're not familiar with coding or complex formulas. Here comes the interesting part, the prompt. This is where you'll type in what you want to accomplish with your calculated property. For instance, say you want to calculate the difference in days between two important dates, such as a customer start date and a results date, while excluding weekends. In plain English, you would type, calculate the difference between customer start date and results date in days, but exclude weekends. HubSpot's Breeze feature will interpret your prompt and create a formula that reflects your requirements. This allows you to focus on what you need without getting bogged down by technical details. Once you've entered your prompt, take a moment to review the system-generated calculation to ensure it aligns with your expectations. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust your prompt or make manual tweaks to the formula. Finally, after reviewing, click Save to store your new calculated property. It will now be available for use with your selected object, allowing you to automatically calculate and track this data point moving forward. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency in your data reporting. And that's it. You've just created a calculated property in HubSpot. By leveraging this feature, you can enhance your data analysis capabilities and gain better insights into your business operations. Remember, the key to mastering HubSpot is exploring and utilizing its extensive features to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.